Hi boys and girls, today we're doing more work with 10 frames. So before we get started, what I want you to do is put your name at the top of your paper. Sometimes Mrs. Stewart forgets to. So we're just going to put our name already. Okay, now I have to do this a little bit different from you because I'm using my iPad, but you're going to do some cutting, and at the bottom you have these 10 frames, and I want you to cut them out and glue them with the number that matches. So I will do a couple with you, and then you're going to need to finish it without my help.
Or talking.
Thanks, Allie. We have no talking to. So we're going to take like this one right here, and I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to put it next to the number 1. I'm going to glue it there. Now remember, when we glue, we just use a little bit. We don't need a whole lot. So then, like, for example, I would take this one, and what number would I put it next to? Would I put it next to 6? No, that's not right. I'd put it by 3. So that's what you're going to be doing today. You're going to be taking your paper and cutting and gluing the 10 frames to match. So look at this one that I just cut out. Where would I put it? Is that 6? No. 8? No. It's 5. Very good. I'm going to do one more with you. Let's do this one. If I cut this one out, it has all of the top row and almost all of the bottom row, except it's missing 1. So where would that one go? That's right, it would go with 9. So you're going to need to finish this paper and then make sure that you use your tools appropriately, your scissors and your glue, and then you clean up your space when you're done. And so go ahead and you can stop the video and finish the 10 frames and make sure that they're matching with the right number. So go ahead.